अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, क्या हाल हैं? ठीक हैं? ये हमारी T&I कंसल्टेंट्स अटक की एकेडमी है। इसमें अभी हमारा जो बैच है वो 4:30 PM स्टार्ट हुआ है, जो 6:30 PM तक कंटिन्यू रहता है। तो आइए आपको एक शॉर्ट सा विज़िट कराते हैं। ये डिफरेंट बैचेज हैं। तो इवनिंग बैच में हम आपको 4:30 के बैच वाले में आपको विज़िट करा रहे हैं।
So my question is that, for example, you are having three type of parts. First is your, I think, first section that is called a general discussion. Second part is your cue card. For example, you will be given a cue card topic and you will be asked that how you can describe it. And definitely 1 or 2 minutes will be given to just, I think, make notes of it. If you are having a very good communication skill, so definitely you can just describe it by your own self. Third part is also a cue card relevant questions. For example, keep in mind, if you have spoken and the examiner, the interviewer, he or she is going to just, I think, asking you about the same cue card, definitely you will be able how to give the responses. And in cue card relevant portion, you will be given, I think, 6 to 7 or 8 questions, and your questions must be comprehensive. It must be just, I think, you can say 3 to 4 sentences. For example, you should not describe it in the same way as you are going to describe in cue card. So my question is that, for example, if you are having a very good communication skill, so there is no need to take tension, because as I have already mentioned that you are just supposing a spoken skill, the face of your body. So if you have just made it more beautiful, more handsome, so everybody will appreciate you, that you are having a very good communication skill. Where in reading, in writing, or I think in listening, you are having a few techniques which you want to adopt. So my first question, for example, you are just to be asked a general question. Mr. Hassan, for example, question will be in this way. Are you having any pet, or you had also pet in the past?
No, sir, I don't have any pet, and in past I also don't have any.
And I think what the habit the Pakistani have adopted to just take pets in their houses.
So in terms of,
I think rich people and poor people, definitely they are also having their own different type of pets in their own houses.
I think it depends on their choices. Some people, poor people also keep pigeons like these type of pets, but rich people like Persian cat and these type of pets.
Okay, and you know, as I think the word pigeon has been used, so definitely you are also having this good habit, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in future, which type of planning you have just, I think, planned to